Hi, everyone. Today I want to talk about something that, if we're aware of it, it can really help us to get out of our own way and do what we want to do, or become what we want to become, or create what we want to create. Here's what I've learned. As human beings, if we have the desire to do something, then that means that we have all the necessary talent inside of us to get it done. But oftentimes, as human beings, we have all these other forces coming at us, and we convince ourselves that we couldn't possibly achieve it. But I promise you, what I have learned is that this is a basic law of nature. It's just like gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared every time. You try dropping a pen, do it 10 times right now, and every time 9.8 meters per second squared will kick in, and that pen will hit the ground. The same thing goes for our desires as human beings. If we feel that we want to do something, then that means we have all the necessary talent inside of us to get it done. We just have to stop and take the first step and do something. Because here's another law of nature that I have learned. I don't know how it works and I don't know why it works, but I just know that it does. When we take that first step, when we take the initiative and just do something, the smallest thing towards getting our goal done, it's kind of like the universe kind of steps up with us, and it's almost like a generator where it generates some sort of energy, and then we just know the next thing we need to do, or the next opportunity is placed in our paths. So there you have it. If you have the desire, then that means you have all the necessary talent within yourself to achieve something. Now, if this resonated with you, then you may be interested in attending the workshop that I'm conducting at the SMRP conference next month. It's called How to Crush the Obstacles and Bring Your Goals Alive. And they can be personal goals or professional goals. We're going to talk about how to crush the nasty obstacles and bring your goals alive. I'm conducting it next month at the SMRP conference on October 10th. It's a Thursday from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And I've posted a link where you can sign up for it if you're interested. I hope to see you there. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.